Hi there, I'm Miriam. Welcome back to Miriam's Manor. So today I am still decorating for the fall, but I am in my very last room in my kitchen. So any given time of the year, I normally don't keep a lot of stuff out on my kitchen counters simply because I live in my kitchen, you guys. I cook all day long and I like my prep space to stay free and clear so that I am not bumping into things while I am cooking. However, I did want to make my kitchen a little bit fall festive so that it matches with the flow of this entire great room space with my kitchen, my dining room, and my great room area. So check it out, see what I've done, and let me know what you think. So what I'm going to do is work from the outside in to show you what I've done with my kitchen. What I started with are these fall bows above my lanterns. If you haven't seen my video on how to make a fall bow, check that out and I'll walk you through step by step how to make these. I next then added candles on my wall sconces that are on both sides of my kitchen entryway. Now, as we move over to the larger island, I put this fall tray together, and what I did was just take old vases that I actually bought for a candy bar for a baby shower I threw for a girlfriend years ago, and I just filled them with different items. So in the first one, you will see that I put a bunch of little mini pumpkins in there. The second one, I just put some burnt orange moss, and the third one is a dish I leave out all the time. I just filled it halfway with popcorn seed and then candy corn. Another thing I like to do is pull out all my wooden kitchen decor. So you'll see me using this cutting board as a base for this cake plate. So next I will give you a close-up of this fall candle that I found at Hobby Lobby. They do have the little metal maple leaves on them, and I think they're really pretty in the fall colors. This guy I also found at Hobby Lobby. It was originally in brown, but I spray painted it to match my fall decor in my home. And keeping up with that natural wood theme that I like to bring out in my kitchen, what I did was turn this basket on its side and stuffed it with fall colored things as well as fall items like this little pumpkin. And I filled this vase with popcorn seeds, little mini pumpkins, and pine cones and acorns. Also, I normally don't display any type of spoons or utensils or things like that, but for the fall I did pull out my wooden spoons and just stuck them in a little white vase. And again, keeping up with that fall theme with the wood, I used two cutting boards for this, placing one up on its side and then putting just a small arrangement on the smaller one in front. I also switched the ribbon to this wheat bundle to match what I already had done on my dining room table as well as my fall tray. So that was it. Thank you so much for joining me today for my kitchen fall makeover. If you guys have liked this video, please click on that like button and give me a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Also, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. And I do have one more fall video coming your way. It'll be my whole home fall tour. So definitely click on that notification bell so that you can be notified once I get that video posted. So until I see you again, stay safe. God bless you, and I hope to see you really soon. Bye.